All right, we're going to take a look at notes receivable. So we have an example on the board here. So let's just say we have a customer is going to pay us $1,000 and it's a 12% 90-day note that was issued on March 1st. So from our perspective on March 1st, we're going to record notes receivable and then we're going to credit revenue because we did business with a customer and then they're going to pay us this $1,000 in 90 days. So debit notes receivable, credit revenue. So we have an asset note receivable on our balance sheet because we're owed money. So let's get to 90 days from March 1st. So on the due date, we're going to get paid some amount of cash. We're going to credit note receivable because we got paid. And then we're also going to be able to recognize interest revenue, which is the 12%. So we have to calculate how much our interest revenue is going to be. How much is our interest revenue going to be? So our interest calculation, and it's a formula that we could utilize, is we're going to take the principal, which is $1,000, times the interest rate, which is 12%, and then now we're going to have to convert that into the amount of days. Because if the interest rate 12%, that's an annual interest rate that's stated. So should they pay an annual full year of interest for only 90 days? No. So we have to convert that 12% from a yearly rate to be 90 days. So the fraction, we're going to take that as a fraction of the year. So we assume 360 days in the year, so 90 over 360. So if we plug that in our calculator, if we take 1,000 times 0.12 times 90 over 360, we get $30 of interest. So we get $30 of interest revenue. Our note receivable, we're going to credit for $1,000 because they don't owe us that money anymore. They're paying us. Therefore, we're going to credit that. And then when we get paid, we're going to get paid our principal amount back, which is $1,000 plus interest. So we're going to get paid $1,030 of cash. All right. So please take a look and reach out with any questions.